everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is all about a old Birchbox that I received a while back. This is the Birchbox. How beautiful is that packaging? So this Birchbox is actually from December. Yeah. So this Birchbox is from December 2018, so it's an older one, but it's one that I got. I purchased a load of unopened Birchboxes from a Facebook member. So because I really wanted the boxes themselves, but then they were unopened, so I got a lot of products with them, all the products unopened and unused, so I was okay with that. It's fine. So this Birchbox, the leaflet says he is here and it says twinkle all the way, December 2018. So the first item that you come to in this Birchbox is this one. So it's Laritzy Cosmetics. I don't know how to pronounce that. So it's a lip gloss and it's a colour that I quite like. Look at that. So it's a nice colour there. Is it gonna... There we go, yeah. So it's a nice colour. It's a colour that I would wear and it's in the shade Tidal. So I quite like it. I've got lippy on. Hang on, proper swatch. There you go. Can you see that? It's not too red, because I don't do bright red, it's not my thing. So this one is a long... Oh no, I shouldn't have put it on my hand. It's a long lasting... My dog is really going for it today, I do apologise. It's a long lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Tidal. So this is a full sized item and its recommended retail price is £20. It says this liquid formula delivers rich pigmented colour that seriously won't budge, apparently, so that's good. Plus the comfortable texture means it won't settle into the lines of your lips or leave them feeling dried out. Just apply it directly to your lips using the wand, relax, knowing that there's no need to reapply throughout the day. I'm going to get a mirror. So I'm going to try this on my lips now and see what it looks like. I like it. It feels really nice, feels creamy, doesn't feel drying, does feel really nice, and I quite like the colour. Well, I do like the colour. That's actually one that I probably would wear on an everyday basis. I like it. That's really, really nice. Okay, so that is £20. And I think it's pronounced Laritzy. I don't know if I'm correct with that. I might be wrong. Knowing me, I probably am. But I have a couple of I've had a lip liner from them, and I've also had a lip pencil from them, like a lip crayon, and they've all been really nice colours. I like them. So we'll see how long it lasts. Apparently it says I don't need to reapply it during the day. We'll see. So I like it. So the next item that I come to is this one, a sheet mask. So this is a bubble sheet mask. I'm quite excited about this. It's from, I think it's called OK. Is that right? OK. OK. There it is. So it says this innovative sheet mask reacts with the oxygen in the air to form tiny bubbles when you place it on your face. Not only does it result in a hilariously foamy face, which is not really what I want, hilariously foamy face, but whatever. But it purifies and smooths skin for a radiant complexion. Apply to clean skin, leave for 10 minutes, then remove and rinse your face clean. So this is worth, so it's a Korean, made in Korea. They always do the best skincare products, apparently. Apparently, that's what I've been told. So apparently this is £7.50. For one sheet mask. I would not pay £7.50 for one sheet mask. But I'll see if it's any good. It might be amazing. If it's amazing, then it's worth the £1.50. But if it's not amazing, then it's not, is it? Right. So next item that I come to is this one. So this is from Rituals. It's a body cream. So it says this body cream is the ultimate multitasker, rejuvenating both body and mind, combining the irresistible aroma of Indian rose with pampering Himalayan honey. The nourishing formula sinks in quickly to hydrate your skin and calm the senses. Massage into clean skin daily for super soft limbs. So balancing body cream, Indian rose and Himalaya honey. So I love honey, but I don't know about this rose. I'm not a rose fan. It smells nice though. Actually, that does smell really, really lovely. It goes on a bit like butter. I like it. That smells delicious. So that is from Rituals. So I have a 70ml, I don't know what you call it, tube here. And it is, the recommended retail price of this is £19.50. But that's not for this, that's for a bigger tub of it, and I don't know how much you would get in the larger tub, but that's 70ml, so I think that's quite a good sample size. To be fair, it's quite a decent size. So yeah, so that's the next one. The next item that I come to is this, and I love Smashbox primers. They're amazing. So this is the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. A clear gel primer that smooths out pores, fine lines and wrinkles, meaning it's great for wearing on its own or for creating an even base before the rest of your makeup. Use your fingers to work a pea-sized amount onto clean, moisturised skin and leave it to set for a few seconds. So there is the sample size. Can you see it there, guys? Quite a little tube, rather little. So the full sized is £26, and this is 7.1 mils. It's quite small. I think maybe that would do, I don't know, depends how much you use, maybe a week's worth. Anyway, I do have the full sized version and I love it. I use it all the time, every day. It's amazing. So yeah, so that's the next item. The next one that I come to is this one. It's a little nail polish or nail lacquer, Sienna Rose. It says, this pigmented red shade is as classic as it comes. The rich, vibrant hue coats nails evenly with high shine colour that lasts. Free from 12 of the most common chemical nasties found in polishes and boasting a subtle lemongrass scent. The vegan-friendly formula is enriched with vitamin E to care for nails too. So it sounds like it's an all-singing, all-dancing nail polish. It's a nice red colour. But I don't use nail polishes really, so it might go to somebody in my family that does wear nail polishes, but that's not me. I am a gel girl. So it's in the shade Je T'aime. So this is, recommended retail price of this is £9. It's a nice colour. I like it. I haven't got anything to try it on. I'm trying to find something. Like a swatch thing. Hang on. I have a swatch stick thing. Right. Let's try it. Let's see if it's any good. Like I say, I don't really use nail varnish these days. Oh, it's like a, oh, I like it. That's one coat. I like that. It's a nice colour. I like that. It went on really, really nicely. It went on smooth. I do like it. So that's that. That's the nail varnish. That is worth £9, guys. And I like the bottle, it's cute. Right, next item. I've gone blurry. There we go. So the last item that I come to is... Oh no, so these are a couple of extra treats in this Birchbox. It's obviously because it was December's Birchbox. So this is one of the items. A plastic comb is hard on tangles but easy on your hair. The wide teeth help work through stubborn knots without causing breakage. We love using it on hair mask day to comb the product through our hair for a root to tip treatment. So maybe for my hair masks, that is a good little item there. Its recommended retail price is £5. I don't think I would pay £5 for that, I'm sorry. It's nice, but not really. I don't feel it's worth £5. Then the next thing that we get is something that I need to get rid of. So these are chocolates, but it was from December, so they're no good now. It's cute though. They are from the Hotel Chocolate, I don't know what you call it. So these are, we are advocates of treating yourself all year round, but there's something about December that calls for a little extra indulgence. Please note, Hotel Chocolate chocolates are made in a factory that oh yeah, nuts and stuff. Anyway, so they were a special treat, but obviously it was December, which is like 9 months ago, 10 months ago. So I won't be eating those. However, it was cute, would have been cute at the time. So that was my little unboxing of a Birchbox from December 2018. I really just wanted that originally, because I just love the box. I love these boxes, and I think there's so much love and effort goes into them, and I think, you know, they should be cherished. So if nobody else is going to cherish it, I will. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my unboxing video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Please excuse I'm in my hoodie today. It's a really miserable day. We've now stumbled upon autumn somehow, and I am in the cosy clothing. So yeah, so I have my new hoodie. I bought a new hoodie. Think happy. So fabulous. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.